Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Pawar, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Topic of this video will be Introduction to IPC and CrPC Part 2, written by Yukta Gogloth, Secretary of Applied Forensic Research Sciences. Let's move forward. Content I will be covering in this video is first, Introduction to CrPC, second, classification of sections under Criminal Procedure Code, and third will be the MCQ. Now CrPC. What is CrPC? CrPC is Criminal of Procedure Code. It provides the mechanism for punishment of several criminal offences against the criminal law. It deals with duties of police in arresting offenders and production of documents and in investigation of several criminal offences. It also provides details of different class of courts, also deals with procedure of the trials, appeals, references and transfer of criminal cases. It also gives a proper mechanism of investigation of crime, apprehension of suspected criminals, collection of evidences from crime scene. It also determines the guilt or innocence of accused person and punishment according to the criminal offense committed. Presently, CrPC has 484 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms and is divided into 37 chapters. Now the arrangements of chapter in CrPC. Chapter 1 Preliminary. It has total 5 sections. Chapter 2 Constitutions of Criminal Courts and Offices. It has total 21 sections. Chapter 3 Power of Courts. It has total 10 sections. Chapter 4 Power of Superior Officers of Police and Aid to the Magistrates and the Police. It has total 5 sections. Chapter 5 Arrests of Person. It has total 29 sections. Chapter 6 Processes to Compel Appearances. It has total 30 sections. Chapter 7 Processes to Compel the Production of Things. It has total 15 sections. Chapter 7a Reciprocal Arrangement for Assistance in Certain Matters and Procedure for Attachment and Forfeiture of Property. It has total 12 sections. Chapter 8 that is Security for Keeping the Peace and for Good Behavior. It has total 19 sections. Chapter 9 that is Order for Maintenance of Wives, Children and Parents. It has total 4 sections. Chapter 10 that is Maintenance of Public Order and Tranquility. It has total 20 sections. Chapter 11 that is Preventive Actions of Police. It has total 5 sections. Chapter 12 that is Information of the Police and their powers to investigate. It has total 26 sections. Chapter 13 Jurisdiction of the Criminal Courts in Inquiries and Trials. It has total 13 sections. Chapter 14 that is Conditions Requisite for Initiation of Proceedings. It has total 12 sections. Chapter 15 that is Complaints to Magistrate. It has total 4 sections. Chapter 16 Commencement of Proceedings before Magistrate. It has total 7 sections. Chapter 17 The Charge. It has total 14 sections. Chapter 18 Trial before a Court of Session. It has total 13 sections. Next, Chapter 19 Trial of Warrant Cases by Magistrate. It has total 13 sections. Chapter 20 Trial of Summon Cases by Magistrate. It has total 9 sections. Chapter 21 that is Summary Trials. It has total 14 sections. Chapter 21a that is Plea Bargaining. It has total 4 sections. And Chapter 22 that is Attendance of Person Confined or Detained in Prison. It has total 6 sections. Chapter 23 that is Evidences to Enquiries and Trials. It has total 29 sections. Next, Chapter 24 that is General Provisions as to Enquiries and Trials. It has total 29 sections. Chapter 25 Provisions as to Accused Person of Unsound Mind. It has total 12 sections. Chapter 26 that is Provisions as to Offences Affecting the Administration of Justice. It has total 13 sections. Chapter 27 The Judgment. It has total 16 sections. Chapter 28 Submission of Death Sentences for Confirmation. It has total 6 sections. Chapter 29 Appeals. It has total 23 sections. Chapter 30 References and Revisions, it has total 11 sections. Chapter 31, that is Transfer of Criminal Cases, it has total 7 sections. Chapter 32, that is Execution, Suspension, Remission and Commutation of Sentences, it has total 24 sections. Chapter 33, Provisions as to Bail and Bond, it has total 19 sections. Chapter 34, Disposal of Property, it has total 9 sections. Chapter 35, that is Irregular Proceedings, it has total 7 sections. Chapter 36, that is Limitations for taking cognizance of certain offences, it has total 7 sections. And at the last, Miscellaneous, chapter 37, it has total 11 sections. So this is the end of the presentation, and at the end we have a multiple choice question, that is Code of Criminal Procedure contains how many sections? Option A, 484 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms. Option B, 448 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms. Option C, 480 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms. And option D, 485 sections, 2 schedules and 56 forms. Do mention your answers in comment section below. And in the previous video, the topic Introduction to IPC and CrPC, its MCQ question, that was Indian Penal Code was enacted on. Its answer is option B, 6 October 1860. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe as well.